Thank you for choosing Grantskills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you. Hello, welcome back to the class. And in this tutorial, we'll be talking about tilapia marketing management. So do well to follow us on our social handles. And this is our Facebook handle at official Grantskills and Instagram at official Grantskills-int and Twitter at official Grantskills-intl. So let's get on to the class itself. So marketing management. Tilapia are mostly sold to riverine people. That's some riverine people that knows about tilapia, but it is mostly sold to riverine people. Some Christians who eat only fishes with scale and others who find pleasure in it. There are some Christians who believe it is religious to eat only fishes with scale. Those are vegetarians as well. So they eat only fishes with scale. So they consume more of tilapia. They don't eat any other fish except they don't eat anything catfish or that does not have scale except those who are uh, going contrary to their religion. Okay, so it is sold to Christians who only eat fishes with scales and others who find pleasure in it. They are also sold by scaling. You can sell them by scaling. So you can scale a kg, it's also priced, a kilogram is also priced. So, and sometimes they are sold by counting as well. You can say, okay, I want to sell one for $1. I want to sell 3 pieces for $1. I want to sell 2 pieces for $1. Tilapia can be sold to fast foods, companies, hotels, and individuals also do book for them. Individuals also do book for them. So you can see it's very much marketable. The market is always there. Individuals will come to your farm and they will book, please. So time I need your farm to be supplying me these fishes. I want to be eating it every weekend. I need it every two days, please. I need it. So tilapia can be sold to fast food companies, hotels, and individuals also do book for them. Tilapia can be smoked and exported to international customers. So you can sell tilapia internationally, not just within the local market or within your nation. You can also smoke them and export them. Marketing mistakes to avoid. Tilapia should not be moved from the farm to the market. So I want to sell this tilapia, let me move it from farm to except you have a freezer where you can freeze them. So you can move them, and once it is time, you move them to the freezer where you're gonna freeze them. Okay, so if not, if you don't have a freezer, do not move your fish to the market. Do not move tilapia to the market, or else you're gonna lose even all of them. You're gonna lose all the fishes because they are all gonna drop dead. So anyone you sold remain may get spoiled if there is no freezer for them. Do not weigh the fishes without proper purchase negotiation with any buyer. if your buyer have not negotiated with you properly to say, okay, this size is what I'm gonna buy, this size is what I'm gonna buy, this is the amount I'm gonna buy, okay, we are done and I'm gonna buy it. You agree before you bring them out and weigh. So if not, don't bother stressing them up, weighing them, and at the end of the day, the buyer says, "Oh, I'm not more interested. Oh, something came up. Oh, the price is not okay with me. Oh, the fish is too small for me." No, you have to avoid all that. So do not weigh the fishes without proper purchase negotiation with any buyer. Hope you get that. Always add some amount of water to weighing bowl and zero the weight of water and bowl before adding tilapia to weigh. So when you want to weigh your fish, the tilapia, make sure the bowl you are using to weigh is always being added with water. Add it water and then zero the scale before you weigh it. And then you can then put your fish and then record from when you put your fish. Okay, so that is it for marketing management. And in our next tutorial, we're gonna look on greater topic. Thank you for staying on the class.